How to add a rectangle in Adobe Acrobat. Let's dive right into the world of Adobe Acrobat and explore how you can add a rectangle to your documents. It's super easy and I'll walk you through these steps. First things first, open your PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. Got it? Now what you have to do is simply use the toolbar over here, and right here you will see a circle. Simply tap on it and that will open up you this option. You can simply tap on rectangle over here, or if you are not seeing this toolbar over here, you can just go to find text and tools over here. Tap on it and search for rectangle, which have written add comments in italics. Simply tap on it and that gives your cursor a power to make it rectangle. Now what you have to do is simply put it where you want to add a rectangle. For example, I want this section to be inside the rectangle. Now what you have to do is simply, maybe I will start it from here. Tap on this, you can see a rectangle over here. Drag it up like I want it to be here, and tada, you have added a rectangle in your video. Now you can adjust your rectangle from here. Let me show you. Just adjust it like this. That was the whole process of adding a rectangle in Adobe Acrobat. Now you can use this feature to highlight important section or make your document more visually appealing. Remember, practice makes perfect. So go ahead and try it out in the next project. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.